Hello, in this video we're going to be looking for patterns. Not patterns like red, blue. That's a baby stuff. We're going to be looking for patterns in unexpected places. Square roots. Dun dun dun! Why am I so cringe? Okay. First of all, I need to figure out how to calculate square roots without a calculator because I don't have a Babylonian method. How about this? For a second, I thought this was just another minute Earth or minute food thing, but never mind. I need exact. I don't have any paper. What? Much better. Um, now we need Google Sheets. I can never remember the URL. Luckily, it just kind of, redirects. Okay. Original number OG numbers square roots. Is there a symbol for that? No. Not geometric. What? Math symbols. Going through this is like going through Markwood. What is this? I know my original thought was never task, but maybe while I'm infinitely scrolling on what might as well be TikTok, you guys could just go down and subscribe. Oh, it's not here. Okay. Let's save space. Alright, original number. Let's start with 0.1. 0.1. Maybe we'll just use coffee. There you go. Much friendlier. 0.1. 0.1. Where's it? Where's the square? Oh, here. square root equals. How do I use this? Square root calculator. Hey, that's the same thing. 0.1. Cube root. Maybe for another video. What's general root? 0. Okay. 0.2. And so on. So I kind of did a bit of off-camera mining, and I got all the numbers up till 10. 10. Hooray! And yes, as you can see here, my brain was way too small, so I used ChatGPT. Say hi to the Copilot's different. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. We'll get to the pattern in a sec. Oh yeah, right, patterns. So I guess I'm not an expert on how to use this. So I think I just highlight all this and insert drawing. You could do that. Um, uh, um, how the heck do I use this website? Insert table chart. Line chart. Oh, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah. So that's the pattern setup. Oh, we can change the gaming setup here. Bar graph. That'd also be helpful. No, not bookmark. Okay, whatever. So we've got that. Can you make another chart? Oh, why is this so laggy for me? Um, yeah. So I've got a chart. I really need to stop using a trackpad. So you can see it goes up and like that. I can't. I don't know if this is even. This does not look like a straight line because you can see like tiny things like that. Mm, um, I I honestly don't know what to make of this. Um, this is a very informative video. It's mostly just me sitting here and talking, not knowing what to do next. Okay, that's it. Taking a screenshot. ChatGPT, my friend. So recently, you helped me calculate a bunch of square roots. Then I put them into a line chart. Yes, and now you're in a YouTube video. Now what? Now you're in a YouTube video. I'm recording. And you spoke. Now you're in a video. Don't do it. Yeah, that's my grandmother. I'm recording. I'm recording. Okay. Hey nerdy, I see you've whipped up a little square root showdown in line chart form. Mathematical glow up of the OG numbers, if you will. Let's break it down like we're hosting a math-themed TED Talk with snacks, of course. This is a classic square root graph, very wholesome, very mathematical. You're plotting x-axis, original numbers 1 to 10, y-axis, their square roots. What the graph shows, the curve starts steep but then flattens out. Exactly what we'd expect from the square root function, which is nonlinear and concave down. Amen. If you're watching this, please give me math tutoring classes. From 1 to 4, the square root values jump pretty quickly. Square root of 1 equals 1. Square root of 4 equals 2. From 4 to 9, things come down. 9 equals 3. So even as the original number triples from 3 to 9, the square root just moves from 1.73 to 3. By 10, you're at 10 equals about 3.16. The root is still there, but slowing down. I'm still recording. Nerdy insights. I'm nerdy, not you. It's not a straight line because square root of x is not a linear function. That curve, that's what we call a radical function. What? Amen. Help. Fx equals fancy math lingo indeed. Diminishing returns. Each step up in x gives you less increase in square root x. It's a great visual metaphor for effort versus reward, or caffeine versus productivity. Graph shape. This textbook style example of a concave down curve that starts steep and levels out. It's like enthusiasm on a Monday, high at 9 a.m., fading by 3 p.m. Chart critique, just a little love tap. What? I'm not sure what that means, but just please back up a little. Title: Oh geez, square root is adorably casual. If you're going pro, maybe go with square roots of numbers 1 to 10, or whatever the heck this is. Label tweak. Bro's tweaking. Y-axis, blah, 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 blah. You guys can read that yourself. If you can read. My letter's coming soon. Wait, I wasn't supposed to talk about that. Can you explain the pattern? I don't understand what radical means here. Radical. Okay, radical comes from the word radix, meaning root. In math, a radical expression is just any expression that includes a root, like a square root, cube root, etc. I've never heard of that. So when I said your chart follows a radical pattern, I just mean the numbers are changing based on their square root. Oh, the pattern. Square roots are slower growing. Let's zoom in on the actual pattern in your chart. What this is. Notice anything? No, because I skipped through it all. The differences between each square root get smaller and smaller as x increases. I noticed that. It's growing, yes, but slowing down. This is a magical behavior of square root function. Dumbledore has come back to life as a mathematician. This is a magical the bigger the original number gets, the less dramatic the square root increase becomes. Visual metaphor time. Imagine a roller coaster. You shoot up the first hill from x equals 1 to 4. Then the ride smooths out from x equals 5 to 10, still climbing, but gently. That's the shape of your line, steeping at the beginning, then leveling out. Radical, okay. I understand, but is there a way to predict, say, a random number like without calculating it? I just spammed those random numbers. Math Jetta. So cringe. No, the squares you do know. Wait a sec. That gives me an idea. 3.14159 times 3.14159. Oh, I thought it'd be cool or something. Anyways, It's a trick. Blah 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 blah. What? Um. Uh. Okay. I didn't understand anything from that, but if any of you guys know, feel free to comment. Okay. There's another pattern I wanted to show you. After that, complicated square root radical. Is that how you pronounce it? Radical thingy. Yeah. This one, you guys will get and understand much more easily. Transstep.com. I made a video about this. Smurf cat. So yeah, you see how one second. This is laggy worldwide. 2004 to present. Compare to Skibbity. Hear me out. Italian brain rot. Tralalero, tralala. And tung sahur. Searching up. Okay, that makes sense. Skibbity in 2018. It just went down, went up, and there was Smurf Cat in 2023, and it went straight down. So I was saying, judging by how Italian brain rots are just spiking like that, I was gonna say that they're gonna go straight down, which does seem to be happening, as I said in my last video. Oh yeah, Skibbity's also dying. Let's see if this is the same. If I check on YouTube, which, kind of, there's more brain rot on there. Oh, Skibbity's dying even worse. And Italian brain rot's also going down. That's interesting. Most of the searches seem to be for Skibbity. That's not surprising though, but surprised Italian brain rot didn't get much. Tung Sahur in Brunei is more popular than Tralalero Tralala. In Brunei. That's weird. Include low search volume regions. Related videos. Meme. Wow. Blue Smurf cat. I thought Smurf cats were already blue. Blue Smurf. Blue Smurf. It's like saying, it's like saying, I don't know, rainbow. Like, of course the rainbow is rainbow. It's a rainbow. Rainbows are named after rainbows. Rainbow is named after rainbows. So these are just the demographics, I guess. If that's the right word to use. So that's the second pattern, which is much shorter. But yeah. Well, it's trending. Oh, stocks. Oh, never mind. Um, I think entertainment. I think brain rot's is entertainment. What is all this? Like a One Piece. Tom Felton? Maybe we shouldn't go through this. Uh, okay.